So here's what the chicken run currently looks like. As you can see, it's very low. It's maybe about 4 feet high. And the chickens were getting out. And they are still out. As you can see, they're out here. They've outgrown that chicken coop. So now we're going to make a bigger one. So you can see right here, we have a post that's probably around 7 feet. And it's going to connect all the way to the back fence. We're going to have a ceiling there. And that way the chickens can roam around the chicken run and not get out of it, and not have to worry about any predators out here either. So it'll be better for them. It's going to be better for us to keep them safe, and for them as well, so that they can enjoy their chicken run inside there. And we got all types of equipment here: wood, chicken wire, screws. We're getting there little by little, and this should be done pretty soon. Well, here's the chicken run, 3/4 of the way done. We got the doors in, half of the fence. The ceiling joists are up here, so we're almost there. The only thing we have left is the fencing on the top half, the ceiling, and then fencing on the other side. We're not covering the whole thing so that the chickens get some sun. So here is the finished chicken run. So you can see it has a ceiling now on this side so that they can get some shade. It's fully enclosed. It has chicken wire all around. We have a door here that's about 6 feet high. It's got a latch. Very important to note, when you have a latch, you got to make sure you have some way to get out in case it closes on you. So you got to make sure you have some sort of string attaching to the latch. They're very important so you don't get stuck inside. Chickens are there, ready for breakfast. And here's the rest of the chicken run. So you can see we have 2 coops in there. Chickens are excited. They think I have food with me. And the top over here has joists on the top with some chicken wire across the top so that they get some sunlight. And here's the rest of it from the side. It connects to the back fence, and that's the whole chicken run. Just to give you an idea, just in case you're looking to build your own, if you want to look at more design ideas or plans, blueprints, make sure you head over to yardchicks.com/plans. I'll leave the link right below this video so you can just click on it and you can check out how to create your own chicken runs, chicken coops. There's tons and tons of ways to do this, but we just had to do this big one so that they have plenty of room to run in, and that way they're safe from predators.